Okay, today I'm going to focus on this little place called Adro de Lázaro. So Adro, there's a lot of other kind of interesting spots too. So this whole street is an interesting spot all the way down, of course, and it goes all the way up. And that one is called Calzada de Igreja de Lázaro. So there's a church, St. Lawrence's Church, Lázaro. But I'm just going to focus on this little Adro. I'll see what it is later. I'll just kind of show you what's in this area because there's a lot of kind of cool stuff. So including this Jesuit. I think we'll start there and then kind of branch out a little bit. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so let's just kind of capture that, take that in. Somebody was telling me that that's a temple. Maybe just bring the camera up there real quick and just kind of see if that is a temple or not. But I think somebody was saying that there's a cat in there and everything. Okay. Such a beautiful space. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you from this one, then we're going to go down a little bit, and then we're going to go up a little bit. So let's go across real quick first. And we're just going to take a look into this little, I think this is Adro, so I think this is connected. And it says San Jose Diocese. So we're just going to go in. And since this is our target, we're going to focus on this little Adro. And I think the first thing we're going to do is try to see if we can go up here. This is kind of cool. I don't think I've been up here before, so. Oh, and then it goes back down again as well. So that's a nice little space. So yeah, actually this is a beautiful view from up here. So you can see our all of our buildings from up this space. And then you can also see the views of these side streets. So this whole area is really photogenic. And actually down there a little bit, they're getting ready for a film. So they're getting all set up for that. I wasn't planning to come down this direction first, but so our Adro is right there. And I just didn't really expect it to be. And this is Lázaro. So this one is like a little side street right there. So Rua de Lázaro. And you got like little boutiques. There's a fashion gallery there, and it's kind of like a little bit of a boutique shop area. So we're gonna go down. So this is up there. It kind of goes up to the hill a little bit. Let me just kind of see. I kind of want to capture the views of everything in this whole area. Yeah, and then that goes all the way down to Vulong, and then it goes down all the way down to a kind of a main area. So we are going to check out this other side street right here to the left, and then we're going to check out this little thing up here. Then we're going to come back down again. So we're on Calzada de Lázaro. We started that at Adro Lázaro. It's kind of a cool little spot. So here's another one of those. So you got black and white tiles. You got all the architecture that's pretty cool. Then this is kind of a photogenic wall. And what we're gonna do, I should film that one too. And there's also that one as well. Hello. So we're gonna just walk up a little bit further. And then this is called Adro. And you can keep going up that way and you kind of get towards Kangwoo Hospital. All the different directions have kind of cool stuff everywhere. Just gonna walk in real quick here. Got a Portuguese restaurant. So that's really beautiful too. Sometimes they'll put stuff here like Halloween stuff and things like that. So it's a really beautiful space. And then this is a nice famous Portuguese restaurant right here. Adro 1601. Got a little bird cage there too. And then we're just gonna come back out there in a second, but we'll just kind of capture the beauty of this area. Sometimes they have art displays in here. This one looks like it has like a little gift shop there. I kind of want to. There's a Portuguese alcohol called 35, and they sell it in that space. Oops, there's somebody's doing mainlander activity. So right now there's all the tourists are back. So I think mainlanders will usually squat their kids and have them pee in the public like that. So so that's what that was. There was, I don't know if you saw that to the left, but there was a it was most likely a mainlander. I've never seen a Macau person do that, Chinese Macau person. But mainlanders are kind of well known for that. I didn't expect it because that's a really beautiful space. So I didn't think somebody, and it looked like they don't look uneducated either. So it's kind of surprising that they decided to let their kid pee there. Well, not decided to, they told them to. It's back to our beautiful building right next to our Adro. And we're just gonna walk all the way down. And then down here they're getting ready for a film set, so I think I interrupted them a little bit in the earlier, so I'm gonna try not to do that. But yeah, like down in this, I think this yellow building, they're kind of setting up for a film. It's kind of cool too. So this space right here, I saw some people putting makeup on somebody and getting them all ready. And they were really dressed up. So I think they're doing it right now inside. So I think it's right over there. Yeah, there was like a little, like some actors and actresses that were getting all dressed up, and they were dressed really well. I think they're setting this up, and I think they might be in there, but I'm not sure. Looks like a new kind of restaurant. And this is Walking Street. Then there's another park, Casca de Vamos. No, but anyways, this was our target here. So we're just gonna end it right here. I wish I could have caught those guys filming a little bit, but if they're inside, I definitely won't bother them. Sometimes I've came across film sets, and sometimes I'll film them, and sometimes they tell me to go away. Especially if it's like a film that looked like maybe low budget, but I don't know, could be whatever it was. They probably don't want me capturing it on film though. And we're gonna end it right where we started at the Adro. But they look like a pretty cool group of people though. Anyways, in case they're hearing, much respect to them. Whatever it is, it's so artistic quality, so it's all great. Look at me, I got a YouTube channel, so so they got something even cooler going on. Anyways, let's end it right there. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.